Hey guys, we have a special tour of the Merchant's House Museum on East 4th Street in the East Village. It's the oldest surviving family house in New York City that is in its original preserved condition, both exterior and interior, and it's said to be haunted. It was constructed in 1832 and in the Federal and Greek Revival styles, and it was purchased in 1835 by Seabury Treadwell. We're gonna go inside and we're gonna show you the amazing interior. Everything is original. Wow. This is the family parlor. This is where the Treadwell family would receive guests. This is Seabury Treadwell. This is his wife, Eliza. This is the original piano. The dining area of the parlor floor, where they would receive guests and entertain. Note all the marble everywhere. Marble fireplace, marble top tables. Lots of mirrors to provide light. Because remember, this house predates electricity. Everything was lit by candlelight. Look at the intricate staircase. Plasterwork is original. All original plasterwork. Now we're gonna go downstairs to where the family would normally be. The parlor floor is only where the family would entertain. They actually spent their days on the lower floor. In particular, this room, where they would not only sit and read, but they would eat. And again, marble fireplace, but they would never receive guests down here. This is just where the family would hang out all day. And you could see, that's the street level right there. There was an innovative system here in place where the Treadwell family, who were wealthy, would ring their servants. And that you could see here, these bells. They would ring their servants that they needed something, like this is the kitchen area where the servants, and there were only women servants, would cook, bake bread. This is the original pie chest. There's another view of the kitchen. Coal, because everything was, they needed coal to fire the fireplaces. I'm gonna go back upstairs to show you the bedrooms. This is Eliza Treadwell's bedroom. You can see the big canopy bed. There's the basin for bathing. That was another bed that they would keep for the, in case a child got sick. Mrs. Treadwell would care for the child. Marble fireplace again. Area for storing clothes, wardrobe, because there was no, closet with hangers. This is their little privy area. The commode. The kiddie one and the fancy one with the lid. And this is Mr. Treadwell's bathroom. This is the primary suite. And again, this is all original furnishing. In fact, this draping on the canopy bed is original from the 1830s. Marble fireplace. His inkwell, his wardrobe. Here's some examples of the original plaster work. And then finally, upstairs children's bedrooms. This is an example of a dress that the Treadwells wore. You could see how intricate it was. Many layers, including boning. And then on this floor, topmost floor, is where the servants lived. This is some of the original furniture from the house. This is actually a part of the hand-cranked elevator that used to be in the house. And here's the servants' quarters. It was only women servants that lived in the Treadwell house. That was typical for the day. And you can see there's no marble top fireplace or anything. Here, very sparse furnishings. This is where they lived. And then they would be called by the bell when the Treadwells needed them. Hope you enjoyed the tour.